Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car, the 2025 Suzuki XL7, Suzuki's latest offering in the midsize SUV segment. This 7-seater SUV has been designed to cater to both families and adventure enthusiasts, combining style, performance, and practicality. Exterior design. The 2025 Suzuki XL7 boasts a bold and dynamic exterior design. The front fascia features a prominent grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, giving the SUV a commanding road presence. The sculpted lines along the body not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also improve aerodynamics. Roof rails and 17-inch alloy wheels add to its sporty character, making it ready for both urban commutes and off-road adventures. Interior comfort and features. Step inside the XL7, and you're greeted by a spacious and well-appointed cabin. The 3-row seating configuration ensures ample space for 7 passengers, with comfortable seats upholstered in premium materials. The dashboard is dominated by a user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Automatic climate control, multiple USB ports, and a multifunction steering wheel enhance the overall driving experience. Performance and engine specifications. Under the hood, the 2025 XL7 is powered by a 1.5-litre K15C smart hybrid petrol engine, delivering approximately 103 PS of power and 137 Nm of torque. Buyers have the option between a 5-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic transmission. One of the standout features of this engine is its impressive fuel efficiency, with Maruti Suzuki claiming a city mileage of up to 35 km per litre, setting a new benchmark in the segment. Safety features. Safety is a top priority in the XL7. The SUV comes equipped with advanced safety features, including multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and a rear-view camera. Additionally, the vehicle's robust build quality and Suzuki's adherence to stringent safety standards provide peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. Driving experience. The XL7 offers a balanced driving experience, with a suspension system tuned to absorb road imperfections, ensuring a smooth ride. The steering is responsive, providing good feedback, which is particularly useful during city driving and tight maneuvers. While the engine provides adequate power for daily driving, some enthusiasts might desire a bit more punch during highway overtakes. Pricing and variants. The 2025 Suzuki XL7 is available in multiple variants to cater to different preferences and budgets. The pricing is competitive, offering excellent value for money given the features and performance on offer. For the most accurate and up-to-date pricing, it's advisable to contact local Suzuki dealerships or visit their official website. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 Suzuki XL7 is a well-rounded SUV that ticks many boxes for those seeking a reliable, stylish, and practical vehicle. Its combination of modern design, comfortable interior, efficient performance, and advanced safety features makes it a compelling choice in the midsize SUV segment, whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a weekend getaway. The XL7 is equipped to handle it all with confidence and style. For a more detailed visual review, you might find this video helpful. Under the hood, the 2025 XL7 is powered by a 1.5-litre petrol engine paired with Suzuki's SHVS mild hybrid system. This combination delivers a balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it suitable for both city commuting and highway cruising. The engine provides responsive acceleration, while the hybrid system assists in improving fuel economy and reducing emissions. The transmission options include a smooth shifting automatic gearbox, contributing to a comfortable and effortless driving experience. Safety is a paramount consideration in the XL7's design. The vehicle comes equipped with dual airbags, electronic stability control, a rear parking camera, and hill hold assist, among other features. These systems work together to provide a secure driving environment, giving drivers and passengers peace of mind on the road. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Suzuki XL7 is expected to be competitively positioned within the midsize SUV segment. While exact figures may vary depending on the market and specific configurations, Suzuki aims to offer a vehicle that delivers excellent value for money, combining a robust feature set with affordability. When compared to its competitors, such as the Kia Carens, Toyota Rumian, and Hyundai Alcazar, the XL7 holds its own with its unique blend of features. While each of these models has its strengths, the XL7's combination of a hybrid powertrain, spacious interior, and advanced safety features makes it a strong contender in the segment. In conclusion, the 2025 Suzuki XL7 represents a well-rounded package that caters to the needs of modern families and adventure seekers. Its stylish design, efficient performance, and comprehensive safety features make it a vehicle worth considering for those in the market for a midsize SUV. Whether you're navigating urban streets or embarking on weekend getaways, the XL7 is equipped to handle a variety of driving scenarios with confidence and comfort. Thank you for joining us on this detailed overview of the 2025 Suzuki XL7. We hope this information has provided valuable insights into what this SUV has to offer. Let's begin by examining the exterior design of the 2025 XL7. Suzuki has crafted a bold and modern look for this SUV, featuring a prominent front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted lines that convey both elegance and strength. The elevated ground clearance and robust wheel arches not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also hint at its capability to handle diverse terrains. Moving inside, the XL7 offers a spacious and thoughtfully designed interior. As a 7-seater, it provides ample room for passengers across 3 rows, ensuring comfort on long journeys. The use of premium materials throughout the cabin adds a touch of luxury, while the ergonomically designed seats offer excellent support. The second and third rows can be easily adjusted or folded to accommodate varying passenger and cargo needs, providing flexibility for different scenarios. The dashboard is equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system that supports smartphone integration, allowing for seamless access to navigation, music, and hands-free calls. Additional features such as automatic climate control, multiple USB ports, and a multifunction steering wheel enhance the overall driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 XL7 is powered by a 1.5-liter petrol engine paired with Suzuki's SHVS mild hybrid system. This combination delivers a balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it suitable for both city commuting and highway cruising. The engine provides responsive acceleration, while the hybrid system assists in improving fuel economy and reducing emissions. The transmission options include a smooth shifting automatic gearbox, contributing to a comfortable and effortless driving experience. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like.